Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to turn on comments on YouTube. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Now there's just a couple of methods in order to actually do this. If you are using a mobile device, not to worry, you can actually go onto the Safari or you can go onto the actual Google, depending if you're Android or iOS, and just click on mobile view. So instead of mobile view, sorry, you want to go ahead and click that to desktop view. And you should have this screen open. So go ahead and open the YouTube application. Once you are on here, so we're doing this on desktop, on your very top right, we've got our profile icon. You want to go ahead and click on that and click straight to the YouTube Studio. So wait for this to open. Okay. So if you're starting off with videos and you're starting to upload them and you're seeing that your comments is either disabled or you can't really view them, the reason for this is that you may have set your video to for like a kids only sort of channel. So the best way to do that is we'll go into settings here, we'll go into channels, channel itself, and go onto the advanced settings. Now you can see where it says audience. There is an option there saying, yes, set this channel as made for kids. I always upload content that's made for children. And no, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for children. So that could be your issue as to why your videos don't have any comments, which is because of this. And if you notice that you're on mobile as well and you exit out of the video, it will pause the video because it is made for kids. So that's one way of fixing the turn on comments. And I'm going to go ahead and show you another way. So now say you have created a couple of videos and you're happy with them, and some of them don't have any comments. So the best way you could check this out is if you open up a video. So we'll do this one, which is how to download Shortcut Editor. Now if we click on comments there, or details, sorry, and we'll scroll all the way down until we see comments. Scroll all the way down. So right on comments and ratings, you could see allow all comments, but what we have is hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. So they do have one there which is to increase strictness, so that apparently is an experiment. You can hold all comments for review if you want to, or you can also disable comments. So if you have this option enabled, which is disable comments, that's probably the reason why your comments are turned off. So that would more or less be the problem. If you have all your videos uploaded and no one's commenting and you're wondering why, then this could be your issue. But there you have it, guys. That is how to turn on comments on YouTube. I do hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.